Hello. Today we'll be having a look at how to transfer funds and the details of the fund screen in your TradeSmart 2.0 mobile application. Let's start with learning how to add funds. To view your funds screen, you can simply click on the menu icon at the bottom of your screen. After this, you can click on the Funds tab and then you will be able to see two major segments visible on top of the screen, equity and commodity. If you have both the segments activated, then you need to maintain funds separately in both segments. Equity funds can be used for trading in equity stocks, NSE, BSE futures and options, and currency segments. Commodity funds can be used to trade only in the commodity segment. Commodity funds cannot be used in equity and vice versa. In case that you do not have the commodity segment activated, then the commodity tab will be inactive, which means it cannot be clicked on. In my account, I do not have the commodity segment activated. Hence, there is no screen when I click on the commodity tab. Now, let's understand the different modes of transfer. You can perform a fund transfer by simply clicking on the Add option. Funds can be added to your trading account only through the bank that is linked to your trading account. If you do not have a bank that is linked to your TradeSmart account, then please link your bank account to it and then transfer the funds. Bank addition can be done through Box back office login. Now, let's understand the different modes of fund transfer. Let's start with UPI. To perform a UPI transfer, you will be required to enter an amount. The desired amount should be minimum 100 rupees and a maximum of 1 lakh rupees. This amount has been set per transaction. So if you wish to transfer more than 1 lakh, then you will have to perform multiple transactions for the same. Please note that there are no charges for any UPI transfer. Let's perform a UPI transfer. I'm going to enter the amount 100 rupees. I'm going to select the segment, which is equity, and my bank account has already been selected. I'm going to click on proceed, and it will take me to a Razorpay secure screen where I will be asked to enter my contact details. Please note that the phone number that you type on this screen should be the one that is linked to your TradeSmart account. After you click on Pay, you will be redirected to a UPI page where you will be asked to select an application via which you want to pay, or you can directly enter your UPI ID. After you pay the amount, you will be shown a payment successful screen. That will redirect you to the pay in page. You can add a more amount if you would like, or you can simply view your updated amount by going back to the funds screen. As seen, my total balance and available margin has been updated to 200 rupees. Now, let's talk about the second mode of transfer, net banking. Please note that for net banking, the minimum amount should be 100 rupees and the maximum allowed is 25 lakh rupees that can be transferred per transaction. If you wish to transfer more than 25 lakh rupees, then you will have to perform multiple transactions for the same. However, there is also a charge of rupees 8 plus GST per transaction. For performing a net banking fund transfer, enter the amount that you wish to transfer, select the segment, and then select the bank account. Click on net banking and then click on proceed. It will take you to a Razorpay secure screen where you will be asked to add in your phone number. Once you have done that, click on pay using net banking. This will direct you to the net banking page of your bank account. Enter the user ID and password and then proceed with the transaction. The third method is using NEFT, RTGS and IMPS. Funds can also be transferred using this, wherein there is no minimum or maximum limit and there are no charges charged. For using this method, you will have to add in the TradeSmart ICICI bank account as a beneficiary to your bank account. Please refer to the description below to see the beneficiary bank details. Let's understand how to withdraw funds. To withdraw funds from your trading account to your bank account, you can click on the withdraw option. This will direct you to the Box back office web page. In the payout section, you will be able to see two different sections, one for the equity, second for the commodity segment. The account balance shows the funds available for trading, which may include any unsettled funds. The withdrawable balance shows the funds that are available for withdrawal. This includes the settled funds only. You can refer to the I section to know more about the same. You can scroll down to the notes section at the bottom to know more details on the payout schedule. Payout will be processed only to the primary or the default bank account if you have linked more than 2 bank accounts. Then the same will be processed in the default primary account only. Let's end this video by understanding what each of these details in the funds screen mean. Let's start with total balance. This amount refers to the total or the opening balance which is available in your account at the opening of the day. Used margin. These are the funds which have been blocked or being used in the trading process. Available margin. These are the funds that are currently available for trading. This amount is nothing but the total balance minus your used margin. Pay-in. If you have added funds on the same day, it will be visible in this pay-in section. Payout. If you have placed a withdrawal request on the same day, then this will be visible in the payout section. The payout amount will be blocked from the available margin for further trading. Options premium. This refers to the amount blocked or released in your options trade. Span or exposure. This shows the margin that is blocked in the FNO open position. Delivery or expiry margin. These refer to the margin blocked for the FNO stocks open position which is physically settled. Highest or peak margin. This refers to the highest margin charged by the exchange on the day that you have performed intraday trading. For more details on the funds screen, you can refer to our FAQ article or contact our support team. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it was helpful.